So in this video, we are going to be given solutions to WAEC 2024 Mathematics OBJ, question number 1 to number 50. So I want us to stick around and watch the entire video. So without wasting our time, so let's go to the first question. Question number 1 says we should multiply 3.4 times 10 raised to the power what now? Minus 5. Okay, we should multiply by what now? By 7.1. 7.1 times 10 raised to the power what now? 8. This question is question under what now? Standard form. Our answer should be in standard form. So let us rearrange. We're having what now? 3.4. Okay, I can multiply these two numbers together. Then times what now? 7.1. Then times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Then 10 raised to the power what now? 8. So if I apply the law of indices, I will combine this. It means this one will give us to me times 10 raised to the power what now? Minus 5 plus what? Plus 8. When I multiply these two, I have 24.14. So let us go. 3.4, since calculator is allowed, multiplied by 7.1. So this gives us what? 24.14. So I have 24.14. So here, we'll be having 24.14. Okay, multiplied by what now? 10 raised to the power minus 5 plus 8 is what? Is 3. Now, class, under standard form, when we move backward, okay, the power of this 10, the power of the 10 will be what now? Will be positive. Then when we move what now? Forward, the power will be what now? Negative. So just remember BP, big P, backward movement is positive. Then FN, forward movement is what now? Negative. So here, I'm going to shift from this place to this place. Okay, so I'm moving what now? One time. So we have 2.4 times 10, 2.14 rather, 2.14, and times 10 raised to the power. How many times do I move? I move what now? One time. I move backward, so it will be what now? Positive. So I have 10 raised to the power 1, and multiply by what now? 10 raised to the power what now? 3. Now apply the law of indices here. This will be 2.414 times 10 raised to the power 1 plus 3 is 4. So the correct answer to that is what now? Option what? Option C. So here we're going to do justice to all the questions so you can score yourself and you know what you have in your OBJ. So number 2. Question number 2. So let's go. Question number 2. Question 2. This says given that P is equals to this question last set. P is given as what now? A set of what now? Of P such that 1 is less than P. P is less than what now? 20. P is less than 20. And P is an integer. And I'm given R. R is a set of R such that 0 is less than or equals to what now? R, and R is less than or equals to 25. Okay? And also a condition is given here that what? R is a multiple of 4. Note, R is a multiple of 4. R is a multiple of what? Of 4. So P is an integer. P is an integer. So let us list these ones out first. So we have our P will be equals to 1 is less than P, means P is greater than what now? 1. So starting from what? 2, 3, 4, 5 to what now? To 19. Because our P is now less than what now? 20. And in this case, our R is a multiple of 4. So our set R will be equals to 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is what now? 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. Because it should be less than 25. Okay, we still have one more. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is what now? Is 24. So our R equals 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and what now? 24. What are we asked to find? We have to find P intersection what now? Intersection R. What is P intersection R? What we see here, and we can also see it here. So this will be what now? 4. You can see 4 here. No, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can have what? 8 here. I can have 12 here. I can have 12 here. Okay. I can have 16 here. I can have 16 here. So our P intersection R is 4, 8, 12, and 16. That is option what now? Option B. So correct answer for number 2 is option B. 4, 8, 12, and 16. So let's go to number 3. Number 3 is question under AP. Number 3 is question under AP. Question number 3 under AP. Number 3, let us go class. Under AP. So the first term of an AP is 2. First term means our A. First term is given as what now? Is given as 2. First term, what is the symbol for first term? That is A. A equals to what now? 2. Now said, and the last term is 29. Last term. The symbol for last term is what? Tn is 29. Okay? If the common difference is 3, common difference, D is equals to what now? 3. How many terms are in the AP? So what's the general formula that connects Tn, A, and D? The formula is for every Tn, you must have what now? A plus n minus 1 bracket what now? D. So we have to find n. N is what now? Unknown. So we just substitute. So our A is 2, Tn is 29, this one becomes 29. It's equals to A is 2 plus n minus 1. Our D is what? Our D is 3. What's the first thing? So will come here to become what now? Minus. So we have 29 minus 2 is equals to n minus 1 bracket what now? Bracket 3. So what's the next thing? 29 minus 2 is what now? 27. 7 equals to what now? n minus 1 bracket what? Bracket 3. I can divide 2 by what now? By 3. So here 3, here 3. So 3 here 1, 3 here what now? 9. So we have 9 here. 3 here 1, 3 here what? 1 equals to what? n minus 1. Because 3 here we cancel out 3 here. So we now be left to what now? 9 is equals to n minus 1. So what's our n? 1 will come from this place to this place. So our n becomes what now? 9 plus 1. And that will go up now? 10. So we have what now? 10 terms. 10 terms. 10 number. 10 terms in what? In the AP. And the correct answer to this is option what? Option C. Option C. So we've done 3 questions. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. So let us quickly go to question number 4. Okay? You can just pause the video and see the way I solve the question. So question 4. I don't want to waste our time. So if there's any explanation that you don't understand, you can just pause the video, rewind, and watch. Question 4. We are to express in index form. So this is what now? Express log of x base a plus log of y base a equals to 3. We are being asked to express this in index form. What are we going to do? Now, from the law of logarithm, if they have the same base and I have addition in between, I'll multiply. Meaning if I have log of what now? X base a plus log of what now? Y base a. If I apply the law of logarithm, since they have the same base and I have addition in between them, then definitely the numbers will what now? Multiply. I will take log of base a. I will now multiply what now? The number. So this one becomes log of x times y, xy base a is equals to what now? 3. Now, from the law of logarithm, okay, if I have log of a number, let's assume the number is what now? The number is p, to base what now? To be a is equals to what now? X. Under the definition of logarithm, log p base a equals to x. If I want p to stand alone, this a will raise this s up. It never implies our p only standing will be equals to what now? A raised to power what now? X. So I will apply this to this. So if I want xy to stand alone, this a will raise this 3 up. Are you with me? So now we are having xy is equals to what now? A raised to the power of what? Of 3. So the correct answer to that question is option what now? Option D. So we have D as the correct answer to question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 is option what now? Option D. So let us go to question number 5. Go to question number 5. Not wasting our time. Question 5. Question 5 is in difference of two squares. So now difference of two squares. Question number 5 is another difference of two squares. So for the first one, whenever I have x squared, okay, minus y squared, the rule says I will have x plus y in one bracket, okay, and x minus y in the other bracket for difference of two square. What does it mean? It means I have a number square here, I have another number that is squared, and I have what now? Minus in between them. This will be our result. Okay, so the question says we simplify 2p minus q all squared, okay, minus p plus q all squared. So if I apply this concept, so this is our x, this is our what now? Our y. We'll now be having 2p minus q, which is our x, plus, okay, plus our y. That will be what now? P plus q in one bracket. Open another bracket. We now have 2p minus q minus, be careful here, okay, be careful, because this minus will affect everything here. So we have p plus what? P plus q, then close the bracket. This is our x plus y, x minus y. So we have 2p plus p. That will give us what now? 3p, okay? Minus q plus q will be cancelled out. The open bracket, 2p minus q, minus times plus will be minus p, minus times plus will be what now? Minus what? Minus q. So this one will become 3p, open bracket, 2p minus p, that will be what now? P, minus q will give us what? Minus 2 what? Minus 2q. So the answer is 3p, open bracket, p minus 2q. And the correct option to that is option A. So question number 5 is A. Question 4 is D. Question 5 is A. So let's go to question number 6. Let's go to question number 6. Question 6. Alright, so question number 6. What do we have there? If 3 minus 4 root 2, this is in surd form. This question is under surd. Bracket 1 plus 3 root 2. This expression here is equals to, okay, the expression that we have here is equals to a plus b root 2. A plus b root 2. But now has to find the value of b. So what I'm going to do here, we'll multiply this together, okay? 3 times 1, we have 3. 3 times plus 3 root 2, that gives us what now? 9 root 2, okay? Then minus 4 root 2 times 1, minus 4 root 2. Then minus 4 root 2 times plus 3 root 2, that gives us what now? Minus 12 times what? Times 2, okay? So because minus 4 times plus 3 is what? Minus 12. Root 2 times root 2 gives us what now? 2. So this becomes what? 9. 3 plus 9 root 2. 9 minus this gives us what now? 5 root 2. Okay. Then minus what now? Minus 12 times 2 is what now? Is 24. So what do I have here? 3 minus this minus 21 plus what now? 5 what? 5 root 2. But I have to find what now? We have to find the value of what? Of b. So we equate it to what now? A plus b root what now? Compare coefficient. Our a is minus 21 and our b is what? Is 5. Our b is 5. So the correct answer to that question is option rather. The correct option is what now? Option A. Our b is equals to what now? 5. Which is option what? Option A. A is minus 21. But b is what? Is 5. So that is that question number 6. Question number 7 is under simple interest. 7 is under simple interest. Question number 7 is under simple interest. Okay, so let me wipe this one off. So find the time. So T, we don't know you. We have to find T. We don't know T. This is question number 7. Find the time for which $1,250. This is the principal. Amount is $2,000.25. $2,031. Then 25 what now? Cents. So simple interest. So this question is under what now? Under simple interest. Okay, but I have to find the time. We don't know you. But we know that what now? Our amount okay, is always equals to what now? Principal plus interest. Let us get the interest first. Amount is equals to what now? Principal plus interest. So if I substitute this one, I have what now? 2031.25 is equals to, principal is 1250 plus what now? Plus interest. So what will be our interest? Interest will be equals to what now? 2031.25 minus 1250. So let us do that. Let us use our calculator. We're having what now? 2031.25 minus 1250. That will give us 781.25. 781.25 for the interest. 781.25 for the interest. So we are having our interest to be interest equals to what now? 781.25. But don't forget that interest is equals to what now? Principal times rate times sine over what now? Over 100. So we substitute 781 for our interest 0.25 is equals to, principal is 1250 times, what is the rate? The rate is given as what now? 12.5%. And then put it here. Rate is 12.5% per annum. So our rate here is what? 12.5 all over 100. Then times what now? Times the time. So we multiply. We can multiply here. So we have 781.25 is equal times 100. Times 100 is equals to what now? 1250 times 12.5 times what? Times t. So let us go. 781.25 times 100. This will give us what now? 78125 is equals to, this times this, 1250 multiplied by 12.5. This will give us what? 15625t. So divide by what now? 15625 all over 15625. So we cancel this, our t will now be equals to, let's go, 78125 divided by 15625. This will be equals to what now? 5. So our t equals to what now? 5 years. So the correct option to that is option what? Option D. So question number 7 answer is option D. Option D. So just get, I think what our questions with us. So just check, just to cross check what we've done in the exam. Okay, so that is that on that. Question number 7. Let's move on to question number 8. Question number 8 is under logarithm. Question 8 is under logarithm. So let us go. Question number 8 is under logarithm. So let me write this one off. Question 8 is under logarithm. So if log 2x minus 1 base 3 is equals to what now? 5. We're now asked to find the value of x. So let's go. Our applied basic definition. This will raise this one up. So we now have what now? 2x minus 1 is equals to what now? 3 raised to the power 5. So 2x minus 1 is equals to 3 raised to the power 5 is what now? 243 what? 243. This one will come here. We have 2x is equals to what? 243 plus 1. So 2x will give us what now? 244. So divide by 2 by 2. So cancel out this. Our s will be equals to 120 what? 122. So the correct answer to that is option what? Option D. Question number 8. Question number 8 answer is option what? Option 1. Option D. Question number 8, our answer is option D. So let us go to question number 9. Question number 9. Question 9. I don't want us to waste time. So I said, if there's anyone that you don't understand the way I explain, just pause the video, rewind, and you have access to the explanation over again. So let us go to this one. So number 9. Number 9 says the population of a town increases by 3% every year. The population of a town increases by 3% every year. In the year 2000, the population was 3,000. Find the population in the year 2003. Now, the population increases by 3% every year. Okay, so we can use what we call this formula. Formula of amount. P bracket what? 1 plus R raised power what now? T. our t's are what now? The time that we have to find. So here, this is what we're looking for. Find the population in year 3000. So A 3000, A 2003. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so population in the year 2003. So here, our P is 3000. Our P is 3000. Open bracket 1 plus. Our rate is 3%. That will be 3 all over what now? 100. Raised to power. T will be 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. Our T is what? Is 3. So here I have what? 3000 bracket 1 plus 0.03 is power what now? 3. This will give us what now? 3000 open bracket 1.03. 1.03 raised to power what now? 3. So let us multiply everything together. So we can solve this question in many ways, but this is the first one. I will show you the second one too. So we solve it using what now? General analysis. Okay, general analysis. I'm going to have the same thing too. So I just see. So here we have what now? 1.03 raised to power of 3, then times what now? 3000. This gives us what? 3278.181. So the correct answer is what now? Option B, which is what now? 3278. So this is what now? Option what? Option B. Option B. Okay, so that's the first way of solving the question. We can solve the question in another way too. The thing increases by what now? 3% every year. So it means our what now? Our first year we have what now? 3% of 3000. Okay, 3% of 3000, and that will give us what now? 3% of 3000. So we have excuse me please. Calculator is malfunctioning. Okay, 3% times 3000. So this is 90. So it means second year we're going to have 3000 plus what now? 90. That will give us what now? 3090. So 3% increment will now be 3% times what now? 3090. This will be 0.03 times what now? 3090. So we have 92.7. So we now add this one to this. So that will now be 3090 plus 92.7. This gives us what now? Plus 3090. We have 3182 point what now? 0.7. Okay, so the third year, this plus this now, then plus 3% times 3182.7. What is the answer? 0.03 times 3182.7. So this gives us what now? 95.481. Then plus our 318.2.7. So we have 3278.181. So we can solve it in this way too. We have the same result. 3%. This is the first one. This percent of 3000 is 90. We now add this 90 to the 3000. Okay, to have the second year what now? Value. This is for second year value. This is second year value. Okay, then 3% of this second year value is this. We now add this one to this to have this is third year value. So 3% of this value again is what? Is this. We now add this one to this. We have the same result. We can either use this formula or we use this formula. We're going to have the same what now? The same result. That's question number what? Number 9. So let's just go to question number 10. Let's go to question number 10. So question number 10. Make sure I solve all the question by God's grace. So question number 10. So just be with me, please. So I'm going to take some of your time. It just gave a change of at number 10. So another this one is B. It just gave a change of 540 instead of 570 to the customer. Percentage error. Percentage error equals to what now? Formula error all over actual measurement times what now? Times 100%. So instead of 570, error will be 570 minus 540 all over what's the original value instead of 570. So original is what now? 570. And that's what now? 100%. So this will give us what now? 30 over 570. That's what now? 100%. So what do we have here? We can have okay. This is 0. We cancel out. This is 0. So we have what here? 300, right? 300 over what now? 57. So how many 57 can we see in 300? I think this should give us 5. 5 whole number. Remaining what now? So let us use our calculator to see what is happening. Let's see our calculator to see what is happening. So we're going to be having 15 to remain 15. Yes, 15 over what now? 57. 15 over 57. Okay, so I think 5 can go here, or 3 can go in both. 5, okay, 3 can go. 3 here, what? 5. 3 here, 1. 27. Now, so this is got what? 5 whole number. About what now? 19 what now? %. So the correct answer to that is what now? Option A. So question number 10 is option A. Question 10 is option A. So let's go to question number 11. Let's go to question number 11. Okay. So question number 11 is under what now? Under polygon. So under polygon. Question 11 is under polygon. So let's go. Question 11. Under polygon. So let us go. So that question number 11 under polygon. It says an interior angle of a regular polygon is 168. Interior angle equals to what now? 168. This is question number 11. Interior angle is 168. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Number of sides is what we are looking for. We don't know. But we know that what now? There's a formula that connects interior angle to exterior angle. For every interior angle plus exterior angle, I must have what now? 180 degrees. So here we have what now? 168 degrees plus E equals to what now? 180 degrees. What will be our E? E will be equals to what now? 180 minus what now? 168. And this will be what now? This is 2. This is 12. Okay? So E is what now? E is 12 degrees. I have to find number of sides. But we know that what now? Our number of sides is what now? Interior angle equals to what now? 360 degrees. Okay? Number of sides times E equals to what now? 360 degrees. So it means each interior angle is 360 degrees all over what now? Number of sides. Take note of this. Another formula under what? Under polygon. Each interior angle because what now? Sum of the interior angles, which is 360 over number of sides. So we can make number of sides solve a formula. This one can come here. So have our n to because what now? 360 degrees all over what? All over E. This is now because 360 all over 12, and this will give us what now? 30. So we have 30 sides. 30 sides. So correct answer to this, correct option to this is what now? Option A. Question number 11 is option A. So I use this formula. For every interior angle plus exterior angle, I must have what now? 180 degrees. So get your interior angle, get your exterior angle rather. So our exterior angle equals to what now? 180 minus 160, which is what? Which is 12. But we have a formula that connects interior angle, exterior angle, which is this. And we have another formula that connects number of side and exterior angle. So each interior angle because what now? Sum of all the exterior angle all over number of sides. So we have our E equals to what now? 360 over n. So make n solve formula. We have our answer like this. That's question number what? 11. Question 12. Question 12. So we are going gently, bit by bit. We're almost done. Question 12. Question 12. If 3x minus 2y equals to what? Minus 5. And we have x plus 2y equals to what now? 9. Find the value of, us to find the value of x minus y all over x plus 1 plus y. So here, simultaneous equation, let us get the value of our what? X and y first. So minus 2y plus 2y will cancel out. 3x plus x will give us what now? 4x. 4x is equals to minus 5 plus this. That's what now? 4. Minus 5 plus 9 is what is 4. Divide by what? By 4. By 4. Our x will give us what now? 1. So if x is 1, what's our y? So we can use this one. So for every x plus 2y, we must have what now? 9. Substitute. X is 1 plus 2y equals what now? 9. 2y equals what now? 9 minus 1. So 2y equals what now? 8 by 2 by 2. Alright, y will be equals to what now? 4. So x is 1, okay, then y is what now? Is 4. So just substitute here. So that would be what? 1 minus, okay, 1 minus 4 all over 1 plus what now? Is 4. What is 1 minus 4? That is minus 3 all over 1 plus 4 is what now? Is 5. So the correct answer to that is minus 3 all over 5, which is option what? Option C. Question number 12 is option C. 12 is option C. So let us go to question number 13. I hope I'm not too fast. I hope I'm not too fast. So let's pause the video and see the rules of the question. So this one is under partial relation. Yes, partial relation. So we're going to interpret, that's all. We're going to interpret. So question number 13 is under partial relation. So we are interpreting. So let us go. If variable W, so let me see. If variable W, number 13. If variable W based partly as M and partly inversely as P, where the following correctly represent the relation with K1 and K2 as constant. Okay, so we have variable W equals to K1M based partly as M. So this is what now? This is our what? Our constant K1, and under partial relation is what? Is plus, and partly inversely, so we have our K2 partly inversely all over what now? As P, all over P. So we have our W equals to K1M plus K2 all over P. So K1M plus K2 all over. So correct answer is what now? Option C. So number 13, answer is option C. C. This is what we call partial relation. So this is W is partly constant as M and partly based inversely as what? As P. We now have to use K1 and K2 as constant. Under partial relation, we are going to be having what now? Two constants. And constants under partial relation always lead to what we call simultaneous what? Equation. If you have two variables, and if I have we're given multiple values. Okay, so we're given multiple values, two values of what? M and N, M and P. Suppose we're given two values of what now? M and P. Two separate values of what? M and P with our W. Okay, so it will lead to what we call what now? Simultaneous what? Equation. Alright, so let us go. Number 14. 14. I hope I'm not too fast, please. If I'm too fast, let me know in the comment section box. And if you enjoyed the video so far, just don't forget to subscribe. Click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, we are on the mission to have what now? 1,000 subscribers. So if you enjoyed the video so far, just click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we release videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so let's continue. A cylindrical metallic barrel. This is a cylinder. See a cylinder. This is a cylinder. A cylinder is like this. Cylinder is like this. I hope I'm correct with that now. So this is the radius. This is the height. This is the radius. So the radius is here. Radius is here. And this is what now? This is the height. So of height 2.5. So h is what now? 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. That is our h. Our h is 2.5 meters. Excuse me, please. Our h is 2.5 meters. And radius is 0.245. Radius 0.245 meters. What happened to it? It's closed at one end. Is closed at one end. Find correct to one decimal place, total surface area of the barrel. If it's closed at one end, now look at this. If it's closed at one end, if it's both ends, for both ends, look at this. For both ends, we're going to be having total surface area to be equal to what now? 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r what now? RH. But if it's closed at one end, okay, total surface area will be equals to pi r squared plus 2 pi r what now? RH. So here, if it's closed at both ends, we take area of this circle pi r squared plus area of this circular base too, area of the circular top by r squared. Look at what I'm saying. This is circular base by r squared. This is circular top by r squared. If it is closed at both ends, it will be area of this one plus area of this one, then plus area of the curved surface area, which is 2 pi r h. Are you with me? But in the question, I said it is what now? It is closed at one end. This one is closed at both ends. Closed at both ends. But here, it is closed at one end. So if it is closed at one end, it will be just area of one of these, which is circular base or circular top. Pick one area, then plus what now? 2 pi r what now? R. So here, I think pi is common to both sides. I can bring pi out. R is common here. R is common. I can bring r out. So here we have it what? R plus. So pi is out. R is out. So we have what now? 2 what now? 2h. So this is what? 2 pi r h pi r squared. So I think we are correct with that. So are you with me? Please be careful. Oh. If it's closed at both ends, we have this for the total surface area. But if it's closed at one end, we have this for the total surface area of a what? Of a cylinder. So now we have been pi is given as what? 22/7. Okay, fine. 22/7 times our radius is what now? 20. This is 0.245. 245. Okay, open bracket. Radius is 0.245. 0.245. Then plus our height 2.5. 2.5. So let us add this and multiply everything. So after we do the what? The job for us. So 0.25, 0.245 plus 2.5. So it give us so we're having 22/7 times 0.245 then times 2.745. So 2.745 times 0.245 times 22. So 14,79555. So we have 40%. So divide by 7. Divide by 7. Divide by 7. So that gives us 2.1136 what? 5 what? Just surface area. Meter what? Meter squared. So is in the option? 2.1. Yes. 2.1 meter squared. So the correct answer is what now? Is A. Is A. So when we approximate, I want to ask you, okay. Find quite to one decimal place. Find quite to one decimal place the total surface area of the bar. So quite to one decimal place, we have what now? 2.1 meter what? Meter squared. So the correct answer to this is option what? Option A. It is closed at one end. Okay? So be careful. If they say it is closed at both ends, we use this formula. Okay? Because I'll be saying area of the circular top plus area of what now? Circular base. This is circular top by r squared. Circular base pi r squared. So I'm having pi r squared plus pi r squared. How we got this is pi r squared plus another pi r squared plus what now? 2 pi r h. This one is curved surface area. Okay? Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Are you with me now? But if it's closed at both ends, it will now be area of the circular top plus area of the circular base, then plus what now? Curved surface area. So now we are having 2 pi r squared plus what? 2 pi r h. If it is closed at both ends. But in this question, I say it is closed at one end. So if it's closed at one end, I'll just pick either area of circular base or area of circular top. Just pick one. Then plus what now? 2 pi r what now? 2 pi r h. Okay, so that's the answer to that. That's option what? Option A. So number 15. 15. Just pause this video and see how I explain this. So let me just move like this. So you're able to understand the concept very well. So you can see it is clear now. Okay, so that is that on that. Next one, question number 15. Number 15 is under subject of formula. We have to make B is equals to what? Make R of formula. We have B is equals to pi all over. I hope this is what you have there. Pi, is it pi? Oh, sorry. Pi L open bracket R squared minus R squared. We have to make big R the subject of formula. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove all the things affecting what now? Big R. So first thing, divide by what? Pi L. Divide by what now? Pi L. So pi L will cancel pi L. Now we have been r squared minus r squared is equal to what? B over what now? By L. So this one will come here. So now our r squared is equal to what? B over pi L plus small r all squared. So we now root both sides. So our r will be equal to the root of b over pi L plus small r all squared. And the correct answer to that is option what? Option A. The correct answer to that is option what? Option A. Number 16. Consider the following statement. So this is under logic. Edna is respectful. Edna is respectful. Edna is respectful. I'm best sorry, please. So I will not put rubbish this in there, please. Respectful. Because sometimes it will just disappear like that. You know what to put again. So I have to check the saying very well. I'm very sorry. Then n equals. I don't know maybe it has happened to you before. Okay, just write something down. D. Try D. You don't be saying it repeatedly. So that is that respectful, please. Oh. Then Edna is brilliant. Edna is brilliant. Please, if you are enjoying the video, kindly subscribe, please. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. We are on a mission of 1,000 subscribers. So please just subscribe and share the video, like, comment, and the rest. So if this well the following is valid. Now what is this one? This is what we call biconditional. No, this is conditional statement. Conditional. We have conditional, so all the connectives that we have under logic. Let me list the connective out, okay? So we have conjunction, which is this. This is conjunction under logic. So this is this interjection. When you have this one is called negation. Okay, this one is called implies. If then, okay. Then this one here is if and only if. All these are what we call connectives. Connectives in what? In logic. Connectives in logic. We have 5 of them like this. So it can be double. You can put it like this, double. If then it means it implies. This is what now? Biconditional. This is conditional. This is what? Biconditional. This is conjunction, interjection, negation, conditional. Then biconditional. Conditional means if, then. So look at this. So it means if Edna is respectful, then she's brilliant. If Edna is respectful, then she's brilliant. But here we have the option that we have. We have not respectful implies not brilliant. We have respectful implies not brilliant. We have not brilliant implies not respectful. We have brilliant, then respectful. So let us interpret. This is A, B, C, and what now? And D. Like I told you, I said this D means what now? If then, if. So this one reads if Edna is respectful, then she's brilliant. Then this one is if Edna is not respectful, then she's not brilliant. Then this one means what now? If Edna is brilliant, then she's not respectful, which is not that. Then if Edna is not brilliant, then she's not what now? Respectful. If Edna is not brilliant, so this one can be the answer. This one cannot be the answer. This one cannot be the what now? This one cannot be the answer. So it's between this and this. Let us look at it critically. So this one means, let me see the question. Well, the following is valid. So if Edna is just respectful, she's not brilliant. But here, if Edna is not brilliant, she's not respectful. If Edna is not respectful, she's not brilliant. So which of them is correct? So I think I will go with option. If Edna is not respectful, If she's not respectful, it means she's not brilliant. If Edna is not brilliant, it means she's not what now? Respectful. So I'll go with option what? Option. Which of them? Edna is respectful. If Edna is not respectful, if she's not respectful, then she's not brilliant. If she's not brilliant, then she's not respectful. I'll go with option what now and see. If Edna is not respectful, then she's not brilliant. If she's not brilliant rather, if she's not brilliant, then she's not what now? Respectful. Edna is not respectful, then she's not. If she's not respectful, she's not brilliant. If she's not brilliant, she's not respectful. If she's not respectful, it means she's not brilliant. If she's not brilliant, it means she's not. So I will go with option what? Option C. Option C. If from the back, then. If then. So if then. So option C is the correct what now? The correct answer to number 16. So let's go to number 17. These are conjunctives. We call them conjunctives under what now? Under number. So options 16 is what? Is C. 16 is C. If you have contrary answer, please let us have it in the comment section box below. Okay. So number 17. A number is added to both the numerator. I don't want this thing to be very long, so I will stop at number 20. Then in the next video we'll continue from number 20 and we'll finish it off. So a number is added to both the numerator and the denominator of a fraction. The number is added to both the numerator. What is the fraction? I don't know the fraction. The number is added to both the numerator and the numerator of a fraction 1/8. Okay, the fraction is 1/8. And the number is added to both. So we're going to add the same number. Okay, but we must add the same number. So we're adding the same number. So suppose the number is what? Is x plus x. Our answer, once we do that, our answer is what? 1/2. So a number is added to both the numerator and the numerator of a fraction 1/8. If the result is 1/2, find the number. So we are looking for the number. So next thing, we'll cross multiply. So we have 2 bracket what? 1 plus 8 is equals to what now? 1 bracket what now? 8 plus what? Plus x. Open bracket 2 plus 2x. 8 plus what? Plus x. So what happens? So we'll come this one here. 2x minus x equals to what now? 8 minus 2. This will be x equals to what now? X equals to what? 6. So our answer is what? Is D. So number 17. 17 is D. Then number 18. Number 18. Gifty, Justina, and Frank share 60 oranges in the ratio. Okay. How many oranges did Justina receive? So Gifty for G, ratio Justina for J, ratio F for Frank. The ratio is what now? 5 to 3 to what now? To 7. So what will be total ratio? Total ratio because what? 5 plus 3 plus 7. And that will be what now? 15. Okay. So total item share is 60. Total item share is what? Is 60. We'll have to find how many oranges did Justina receive. Justina is what now? Is 3. So we have 3. All of our total ratio is 15. Times what now? Times 60. J 3. Okay, you are correct. So 15 here 1, 15 here what now? 4. So just now we receive what? 12 oranges. Just now we receive 12 oranges. That is option what? Option A. Option A. So the correct answer to number 18. Number 18 is option what? Option A. So let's go to number 19. Number 19 is under construction of a quadratic equation whose roots are given. Okay. As to construct a quadratic equation and the roots are given, we can solve it in 2 ways. Either you use the formula or you use it like this. Where are the roots? The roots are what now? 1x is what? 2/5. And that is what now? Minus 1. So this one will come here, becomes x minus 2/5. Okay, brackets. So will come here, become what now? S plus 1 equals to what? Is 0. I can solve it like this. I first equate the values of x at the roots. Okay, so 1x is this, another x is this. So this one will come here. It was positive here. So when it's crossing this sign, it becomes what now? Minus. So it's minus here. So when it's writing this equality sign, it becomes what now? Plus. I'll now open the bracket. Okay. So s times s is what now? S squared. This times this plus x. This times this minus 2 over 5x. Then minus what now? 2 over 5 plus what now? 0. I'll now multiply by what now? By the SCM, which is what now? Which is 5. So now become 5x squared plus 5x minus 2 what now? 2x minus equals to what now? 0. I'm having minus 2 over 5 times 5. So comes out this is what? Minus 2. And this is x times 5, 5x. Are you with me? So that's what I did. I multiplied through by the what? By the SCM, which is what now? Which is 5. I multiplied through by the SCM, which is what now? Which is 5. So what do I have here? 5x squared. This is 3x. Now so equals to what now? 0. So one side is this is 3. Oh. This is 2 over 3, not 2 over 5. This is 2 over 3, sorry. 2 over 3. 2 over 3. This is 2 over 3. 2 over 3. So we're multiplying through by what now? By 3. By 3. This is by 3. So, sorry. I thought I saw 2 over 5. So, when you use Ghana too much and you sow Gary, that is the effect. So, I'm very sorry for that. So, it is 3, not 5. So, what we have here? 3x squared plus x minus 2 equals to what? 0. So, the correct answer is what? Option what? Option A. 3x squared plus x minus 2 equals to 0. So, answer to number 19 is A. This is number 19. Then, number 20. Number 20. Let us go to number 20 and let me see. Okay, let's solve it to number 25. So it should just be 25, 25. First video, 25 question. Second video, 25 questions. So let us stop at number 25. I think that will be okay. That will be okay. So in the next video, we'll continue from number 26 to 50. Alright, number 20. So number 20. Number 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. A piece of rod of length 44 meters is cut to form a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. The rectangle is like this. That's the length. The length of that is the what now? The area. Area. That's the length. The area. A piece of rod of length. Sorry, this is the what perimeter. This has round shape is what now? The length is 44. That is the perimeter. It's cut such that the ratio is of length 7 to 4. So 7 for the what? For the length and 4 for the what now? For the breadth. Mind you, there's going to be a common factor between them. So let the common factor be what? Be x. So it should be 7x and what now? And 4x. The common factor should be between them. This is just the ratio. So it means it was when we divide them by a particular number that we have 7 and what now? And 4. So let us multiply that number back. So that number is what? Is x. Are you with me? So it means this is what now? 4x. This is what now? 7x. Since opposite sides of a rectangle are what? Are equal. So when we add everything together, we have what? 44. We have to find the breadth. So this is the breadth, this is the length. So what's the perimeter? Perimeter equals to what now? 2 bracket what now? A plus what? Plus b. What is perimeter? 44, which is the length, equals to what now? 2 brackets. Our L is what? 7x plus what now? Plus 4x. This will give us what? 44 equals to 2 bracket what? 11x. So by 2, this will be 22 equals to what now? 11x. So by 2 again, by 2. So by 2, no. By 11 rather. By 11. Then by what? By 11. So our s will be equals to what now? Our s is 2. Our s is 2. So if s is 2, what will be the breadth? How with 4 times 2? And that what now? 8 what? 8 meters. So our answer is what now? Option what? Option A. So question number 20 is option what? Option A. So let me quickly go to 21. 21 and we stop at 25. Stop at 25. So let's go to 21. Let me write this one off. 21. So we have 21 like this. Oh, look at the diagram. Similar shape. We have something like this. These are called similar shape. Similar shape. 21. This is okay. This is 9 cm. This is 12 cm. This is M. This is K. This is L. This is N. And this is what? This is X. So the now says this is 10 cm. 10 cm. The now says in diagram, comma, line MN. Line MN is parallel to line K what? KL. ML. ML and KN intersect at X. This is where they meet. So then if line MN is 12, then line MX is what now? Is 10, and line KL is what? Is 9 cm. If the area of MXN is 16 centimeters squared, bring the area of what now? LSK. Okay, this is what we call similar what now? Similar shape. Okay, so area of similar triangle, ratio of the area of the similar triangle. Where is similar triangle? Triangle MXN is similar to triangle LXK. So they are similar. Triangle MXN similar to triangle what now? LSK. So area, the ratio of the rule is ratio of the area. The ratio of the area of the similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding length. As simple as that. Okay, so we have this one now. Area, excuse me please. Area of triangle MXN all over area of triangle LSK. Now, the ratio of the area of the similar triangles will be equal to the what now? The ratio of the area of the similar triangle will be equal to the what now? The square of the ratio of the corresponding side. So where is the corresponding side? For this one, MN, okay, MN all over K what? KL, all what now? All square. So that is the formula. The ratio of the areas of the similar triangles will be equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding what now? Length or corresponding side. So MN parallel to what now? K what? KL. So this one is given as 16 all over. We don't know this one. Let us assume this is what is X. What our MN, that is 12, I suppose, all over. Our KL is what? Is 9. Everything all what now? All squared. I can cancel out this. 4 here, 3 here, 3 here what now? 4. So I can have 16 over X is equals to 4 all over what? 4 all over 3. All what now? All squared. So open this bracket. This square will affect this 4. This square will affect this what now? This 3. So I'm having 16 over what now? X is equals to what now? 4 times 4, 16 all over what now? All over 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. So when we cross multiply, we're having what? 16x equals to what? 16 times what now? Times 9. So by 16. So the 16 will cancel out 16. 16 will cancel out 16. So our x is equals to what now? 9. 9 cm what now? Square. So the correct answer to 21 is B. So let us stop here. So I'm very happy that you followed me. You stayed to this point to check out the video. So in the next video, I'm going to continue from number 21. Okay, because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm having that feeling that it's getting too long. So check out the videos that we did. Look at the solutions, the way we solve them, okay? And do us a favor. We are trying to get to what? 1,000 subscribers, okay? So just hit the red subscribe button, press the subscribe button, share the video, like and comment, okay? I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out.